Hi guys, I know we haven't done a video in a while now, but I wanted to do a makeup tutorial with this eyeshadow called Ballerina. I'm so excited to try it. Please get this 1 million likes and subscribers, and I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Please get me a lot. I'm watching outside because I want my friend to come over. And nothing special for a friend over. And let's get started. I can't really sit right because I'm on top of pillows. Oh yeah, pillows. I need more pillows. Got more pillows. And the elf is with me right now. The elf is with me. Christmas is over, so you can touch the elves. Just a reminder, you can touch the elves now. Okay, guys, I can't. I wish there was like a chair here. Chair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Looks like it's not gonna be a chair today. Elf. He won't stand up. So like we're doing this. So let's get started. My hair. It's weird. Guys, do you see that? Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna take out my glasses. I'm gonna open it. This is like tin foil. This is like the tint. That's like the tint. And guess what's inside? This. Let's see what else is inside. Nothing else is inside. It's just so cool. So let's do this. Okay, we're gonna add the first eyeshadow. So I need Here we go. Wait, I thought there's no one. Oh god, this must be a lot. My cat. I have a dog and cat. Okay. Do you want do coffee? Coffee? That's coffee. That's coffee. Or do you want me to do Mo or Ryan? what I want to use is Ryan. I want to use Ryan for the other part. I'm just gonna use Ryan. You can just tell me which one you guys want to use for. Oh, that's a lie. That's a lie. Okay, we're gonna do that right there. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's a lie. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna place like. Stop. My cat. My cat is in the way. Go away. Okay. My cat's playing with the tinfoil. I think I just ruined my eye. Yeah, I ruined my eye. Let's go clean up. My cat is trying to like do it something. Trying to bite this. It's not gonna happen. Oh, Jesus. Maybe we're not gonna do it. Oh, Jesus. Clean up myself. I don't know why I did it. Oh, Jesus, this is gonna be a lot of makeup remover. Oh, Jesus, that's a bad start. Yes, makeup remover. This is makeup remover. Good, this is makeup remover. This is good people life. This is nail polish. Well, I'll just use this. Yes. Oh, whoa. That's so cute. That's chalk. I can't take that off. I can't take it off.